thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry there's been quite a gap since the last video. This video is mostly about me changing the gearbox oil on the SV. The car's only done about 13,000 miles, so there's nothing actually wrong with the oil. I don't really have a reason to do it, I just feel like refreshing it. Also in this video I will be replacing the heat blanket around the gearbox, and also the problems is that heat comes through the gearstick gator. It's a well-known issue on these. When I've looked underneath I can see a gap in the heat shield where the air is coming through, so I will try and address that. Right, I'm back under the SV and I'm here to change the gearbox oil. While I'm here I've noticed that the transmission blanket, heat shield, whatever you want to call it, has deteriorated, and somebody has put some wire as a bodge to hold it up. I don't like that, so I'm going to remove it and try and come up with a better solution. Heat shield around the gearbox is damaged. I tried to patch it up but it didn't really work, so I've purchased this heat shield blanket, so I'm going to try and install that. It's up there now, it goes right to the front of the bell housing. I've had to put these straps on it. It's not really what I wanted to do, but it's a lot better than it was before. You just can't wrap, the straps just won't go round the gearbox, there's not enough room. So it's up there, it's really secure up there, it's extra protection. No fraying, it's not hanging down at all. So there's that opening there, and there is also one there, so I want to try and block off. So there's a pad stuck up there now. Hard to see. It covers the gap. It's well stuck up there. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, so the oil looks really good, nice and clean, nice and pink. The The little bit swirling on the top is just old oil that was in this container. But yeah, it smells good. Everything positive. No filings, no sign of anything nasty. So that's good. All right, just want to get a rough idea of how much is in there. Right, so I purchased this oil from a Tremec UK distributor. It was their recommendation. There seems to be lots of varying opinion on oil for this gearbox, but this is what they recommended. I need to get to the fill plug, which is up there. Alright, let's see how successful this is. Okay, so that's the oil change complete. I did remember to tighten up the fill plug. I just lost the footage of that, unfortunately. Thank you for watching the video. If you could like, comment or subscribe, that would be great. And I will see you for the next video. Thank you.